A woman accused of having sex with several male juveniles from McMinn Central High School was in court this morning for arraignment. 38-year-old Melissa Blair faces 18 counts of aggravated statutory rape, 4 counts of human trafficking by patronizing prostitution, and 1 count of solicitation of a minor. Our Elise Zwick was in the courtroom and tells us more.
Melissa Blair was to appear for her arraignment here today at the McMinn County Courthouse at 8:30 a.m. At 8:43 a.m., the judge called her to the stand and she did not come forward. Honorable Judge Andrew Mark Freiberg initially cited her failure to appear. 10 minutes later, she arrived.
On Melissa Blair, 22CR53, defendant along with counsel has entered a waiver of appearance at arraignment, which is allowed by Rule Procedure 43.
The state of Tennessee allows an appearance at an arraignment to be waived by the defendant's criminal defense lawyer. The waiver was presented by Blair's attorney, Robert Kurtz. It was accepted, but the district attorney's office requested an update to her bond stipulations. Melissa Blair arrived to the courtroom, sat amongst the crowd, and approached the stand when called.
Ms. Blair, earlier I put Mr. Kurtz down as your attorney of record. Your next court date is going to be May 9. But we had another matter to discuss.
The district attorney's office and the McMinn Sheriff's Department have received concerns about Blair in public places around children with her own family. The request was to update the restrictions of where she is allowed to be in public. Her current bond stipulations are no contact with the McMinn County school system and students within the school system.
I do believe the Supreme Court has recognized a fundamental constitutional right of a parent to direct care, custody, and control of their own children. However, no right is absolute.
He went on to say she could continue taking her children to and from school. However, she wouldn't be allowed to leave her own car.
I do think, as you know, Mr. Kurtz, courts do have a right to ensure public safety and assess reasonable bond conditions. So I'll put down a written order today, no contact with any school in the 10th Judicial District. The only exception is drop off and pick up of her own children, but is to never leave her vehicle and only remain for a temporary amount of time.
Melissa Blair will be back in court on May 9th for continuing proceedings. Reporting in McMinn County, Elise Zwick, Local 3 News.